Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Thursday, March 23rd, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possible entries. We had one break even and 2 break-evens possibly for some people, and 5 winners. But I'm going to go through because it varies a little bit for everybody. We had no losers today at all, and we're going to go through everything here. First trade from left to right was in gold. We got short on an understanding trade at 1251.2, 1251.2 up here. This was on the 836 candle. That trade made almost 40 ticks, about 38 ticks on the initial wave down. Some people moved their stop and trailed it up, and they would have been taken out on any runner after the 35 ticks or so. Other people who went to entry and held it, we had an add-on or a new entry down at 1246.6. 1246.6, and that one made from 1246.6. That made another 38 ticks, really about 35 ticks because it closed there and bounced around. 30 ticks to my target there. Some people held it a little bit longer because I said it probably would go through this. We'll call it 30 to 40 ticks, 30, 35 ticks. And from those who were still in from up top, that trade went 80 ticks from 51.2 where we were still in. If you just went to entry after you got your first couple targets off, that was almost an 80 tick trade from the top. Again, 35.40 for most on the first one, 30.35 on the second one. For anybody who held it, 80 plus an add-on for more money. And then on crude, we tried to get short on crude, and that was at 47.77. That was on the 842 candle. That trade made 15 to 20 ticks. Specifically, it made 19 ticks. But again, when it came down here, went sideways here, people were getting out around there for the next target batch, and then we didn't have any follow through from there. We had the natural gas report, so a lot of people did not stay in that. After the natural gas report, we were looking for the market to potentially go up. We got long at get you the price there. We got long at, some people were long as low as 77. Some of us added at 66. Some people were unclear on the add-on because usually we add on a little bit lower, so they never added, but it was fine. It wouldn't have been a stop anyway. But it did go up from the 77, and it made it went up to about 91. So that trade went, wasn't a whole lot of follow through after that, but from the 77, it did make up to 14 ticks there, and then just no follow through. It just kind of went sideways here, and then we closed the room. So up to 14 ticks on that trade. Realistically, 8 to 10 for most people. Nobody got the top at 14 probably. And then in the ES, we tried one at the open. We tried a power play short at the open. That one made from 41.25 down to 39.75. It made a 1.5. Anybody who tried to hold would have got a break even, so a 1.5. Let's call it a point or break even. And then we tried a long and understanding trade at 850. 48.50, and that one we took all the way up. That one made a lot of people up here. I told people this was a nice spot right here. It's about 7 points. We're looking for this market to go up further potentially. We were hoping it would happen during the morning, but we got up to 7 points on that trade, and that was it. So we're going to come back to do it all over again tomorrow. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.